Assalamualaikum, I am Fatiha. In this video, I'm going to share about blowing bubbles tube for speech therapy. What is blowing bubbles tube? Blowing bubbles in speech therapy session is a fun and impactful activity. We use blow toys to teach children about inhaling and exhaling so they can breathe better for speech. These are the steps on how to play blowing bubbles tube. First, we dunk the tube into the liquid bubbles. Second, we took it out. Third, we put it in front of our mouth. And the fourth, we blow to create the bubbles. The suitable age to play this blowing bubbles tube is from 3 years old and above. What are the benefits of blowing bubbles tube? First, it promotes abdominal grading, control oral airflow, lip rounding, and tongue retraction. Second, it can target early sound development, oral motor skills, and early language. Third, it can initiate simple utterances for mending or ask for help, such as bubbles and help. That is all from me, and thank you for watching.